Hello friends, we are going to see about the notification of University of Hyderabad for entrance exam for PhD, MSc, MTech and other courses. Especially this is focused on physics related things. So one University of Hyderabad is one of the best institute in our India, not only in India, worldwide it has a good reputation. So it has an NIRF ranking as fourth best institute in India, and it's a highest NAC score, and the facilities are extraordinary. So the last date for the apply is 20th July 2021, and meanwhile the institute is also in the club of Prime Minister's Research Fellowship Scheme, where the selected research scholars can get huge amount of the stipend along with around 10 lakhs research grant for 5 years. It's a great opportunity. Here, first year you can get 70,000, second year 70,000, third year 75,000, fourth year 80,000 and fifth year 80,000. So online registration fees will be for general people it is 600, economically weaker section 550, OBC 400, SC, ST and PWD it's at 275. Whoever going to complete their minimum criteria by the date of 31st 7th 2021 are welcome to apply for admission. On the special request, you may get sometimes another 1 month of duration to submit the certificates. So, but your exam has to be completed within the stipulated time. Here they will apply different courses starting from MSc. So, in order to do MSc in physics, you have to do BSc with one of the subject as physics, with combination with mathematics or electronics or maybe chemistry or other things. The combination should be there, and at least you have to get a minimum of 60% marks, and the criteria, the number of the seats available for MSc Physics is 56. If you are MSc Physics student presently going to complete, then you can apply the following courses, especially the PhD in Physics, 22 positions available for this time, and PhD in Electronics and Engineering, 3 positions are available. Another one PhD in Materials Engineering, 6 positions are available, and PhD in Nanoscience and Technology, 2 positions are available. For this, there will be a written test followed by an interview. It total consists of 100 marks, 70 plus 30. And if you are already GATE qualified with physics validity, then you can apply these courses: MTech IC Technology, MTech Materials Engineering, MTech Nanoscience and Technology, MTech Modeling and Simulation. In this one, computational materials engineering is the eligibility. You can eligible physics people can join this MTech course. So this will be admissions will be through CCMT central method. It will be there separately. Basically, whenever we are writing PhD exams, the question paper consists of 2 parts. Total marks 70 marks it will be. So part 1 or part A 35 marks will be on research methodology. So in this you have different types of the questions based on data interpretation, quantitative methods, aptitude, logical reasoning. Sometimes they will ask on language as well. And the second part is 35 marks will be on the subject concerned. So negative marking will be there, whole paper. For any part shall be choice of the school, department and center. Okay, that will be, we can find in the question paper. When based on the written test, merit list will be selected. After that, interview will be there. Interview will be for 30 marks in it. Interview will be for 30 marks in it. Research proposal and its defense will be for 5 marks. If you are CSIR JRF qualified, 5 marks. If you qualify lectureships, 3 marks. Interview is for 20. They will add up for 30 and a 70 for written test including tutor two they will mix and make the merit list based on the reservations criteria. We come to other areas, especially with MSc Physics, you can apply this PhD, Electronic Science and Engineering. So aggregate marks you required is 60% in MSc Physics. For doing PhD, it's required just 55% marks in MSc Physics. So in Electronic Science and Engineering, we have 3, whereas in physics we have 22 seats. So this number of the seats will, with MSc Physics we can write the exam for PhD in Material Engineering as well as Nanoscience and Technology for PhD. This term it has a 6 positions are there in PhD Materials Engineering, whereas 2 positions are there in the Nanoscience. MTech Modeling and Simulations, it has 10 seats with the validity score in gate physics, and MTech IC technology there will be 18, and the same thing is valid, like a gate score is required, there is no separate entrance test for it, we have to apply. So admission is regular mode through CCMT. When come to MTech Material Engineering and MTech Nanoscience and Technology, for these two, both we required gate score and the admission is through CCMT only. So here we can see the School of Physics, this time requirement starting with Professor K.C. James Raju, Professor P.K. Suresh, Professor Sunil Singh, and their requirements they provided here. You can find a different areas, especially when come to Professor K.C. James Raju. The area is condensed matter physics and ferroelectrics and magnetoelectric thin films. So mostly the work will be related to laser matter interaction based on the synthesis of the materials and thin films and its applications to microwave devices. Then P.K. Suresh, it will be related cosmology, basically theory. Then Sunil Singh, quantum optics and nonlinear optics theory. Nirmal Vishwanathan, singular optics, optical angular momentum and spin orbit interaction of light and near field optics. So this is experimental work. And Surjit Dara, both he will do experimental as well as theory related to soft matter and living systems. Tarath Anantamurthy, so his work is related to soft condensed matter and biophysics. And Subramanya, a theoretical condensed matter physics and strongly correlated systems we can find. Udaygiri, so he's a quantum optics and laser cooling related. Vaiteshwaran, he works on solid state theory and material science. Manimaran, then computational physics, complex systems. Soma Sanyal, cosmology, heavy ion collisions theory. So Venkataya, uh, condensed matter physics and magnetic materials with multiferroids, experimental. Barlong Molong, so theoretical high energy physics theory. Ram Gopal, he is also ultra fast spectroscopy and laser surface patterning, experimental. Abhiram Suri, so he condensed matter physics theory. Here you can see the positions from CASEST specially for PhD. P. Manimaran, then Kollu Pratap, Anjali Priya. These people offering the related areas research work, biomedical signaling and thin films from Kollu, and nano scale design, modeling and simulation of semiconductor devices from Anjali Priya. So when come to engineering department, you can find Dibakar Das and Shrikant, Rajkishore Das and Gautam. So everybody is providing different areas. So you can check here, starting with magnetic ceramics to waste biomass conversion, laser shocking, and 2D nanomaterials, and then removal of heavy metal ions from water, and the development of novel nanomaterials incorporated small materials. For the writing the exam, around the India you will find the center almost 39 centers they provided. You can opt for any 3 centers. So based on the availability, it will be allotted for you. Thank you for watching. If you have any information required, you can keep in comment so that I try to answer your questions as early as possible. So thank you.